personal statement, that personal essay. I know a lot. When I speak to several students, one of the things that they're concerned with is that personal essay. So you notice at the top, I've got some highlighted things here. You want to make sure that you're answering the question that the personal statement is asking. Talk about why you chose pharmacy as a career for you. Why if you had it, how you intersected with pharmacy, what drove you to that profession of all the different pharmacy professions out there, why you chose it and why it's meaningful to you. Also, you want to address how it's going to how pharmacy is going to help you accomplish some of your long-term professional and career goals. So if you have an idea about specialty areas of pharmacy you're interested in or the type of patients you want to care for, put that information in there. Also, describing your personal, educational, your professional background, what you've done, what has built you up in life to prepare you to be an awesome pharmacist one day. Put that stuff in there. Now, you'll notice earlier there was a question about special life circumstances. Definitely, if you can address some of those areas in that component, but this is specifically answering about why you want to go be a pharmacist, why long term, what are your goals, what you've done to prepare you for pharmacy school, that type of information. So um, definitely want to, and you have limited character counts. So utilize this information here, utilize the different places within the PharmCast application that allows you to tell your story. And if pay attention to that information. For example, here the obstacles you overcame, you could put it here in the personal statement, but if you're limited, but also keep in mind that there's that other place earlier in the application that you can address obstacles you overcame in life. So you maximize the space that's available and don't feel you have to repeat yourself if it's listed elsewhere within the application. But definitely show you're passionate about why you want to be this, why you want to serve in the healthcare professions and specific to pharmacy. We want you to use your available resources that are out there, like if your English professors or writing centers at your school, or even there may be at your work setting, if you're part of a large organization, they may have a learning resource center that can help you with writing essays and crafting these statements. But definitely you want to avoid artificial intelligence, GP. You want to avoid that stuff because that information. You don't want to put your application at risk by that by it being revealed that you pulled this information from someone else or plagiarized. You want to be above reproach in all areas of your application, and not be suspected of wrongdoing.